Well, this is Bobby at TV Repair with a functionality proof for Panasonic SC board TNPA. Kill me if I remember, 5331. I think it was 5335. That was sold and is about to go to a customer. I believe it was on eBay. The name will be in the title of this video. I'm making showing a few unique markings on the board so that they know this is the board that they're receiving. I believe there was a mark here with a scotch. This is our tape, and we will put two lines on the sides. I'm sorry we didn't put them, we usually do, but this should be fairly unique. As usual, tons of stuff has been replaced on that board. There are many other videos. Those transistors have all been replaced. The sustain generation, the energy recovery, all of those. This has been replaced. The one at the right side there, 0825. This one, you can tell if your experience has been replaced as well. And of course, this is the TV, and this is what we have. So you do know that it does work. If you do have problems, they're not because of that board. Most commonly, upper lower buffer. It's hard to get that board to fail if something else is bad, but it's not impossible, especially if there is bad buffer boards. It is possible that a good working board can be made to fail, but it's relatively rare. In either way, we've serviced, and we have tens of videos, we've serviced hundreds of those boards. This should be holding on for a very long time if it's properly handled. Good luck, and thank you.